Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about how English became the international language and why it is necessary to speak or learn the English language. As you know that it is the international language and most of the business or most of the stuff available in English language, and if you want to expand your business or if you want to improve yourself or if you want to explore the new world or you want to spread your talent throughout the world, so it is very necessary for you to learn and improve the English language. And right now I will tell about a brief history of the English language. English is the Germanic language brought to Britain by migrants in 5th or 7th centuries, and in 18th centuries the British colonial system all over the world spread the English language, and this is the main reason that English became the international language due to British colonial system. And English developed in the course of 1400 years throughout the world. So British colonial system, because you know that British were ruling all over the world, and their language was the English language, and due to that they spread the language all over the world. Wherever they were ruling, they were giving the priority to English language. And moreover, commerce, science and technology, art and cultures and formal education helped this language becoming the international language. And you know that most of the international communication is in English language. These are the reason due to this English became the international language. Right now most of the things, most of the business dealings, you know that if you want to expand your business, this is also considered the business language, and more countries are coming towards the business world. And if you have the talent, you have any kind of business, and you want to expand your business all over the world, then I think that it is necessary for you to learn the English language. And if you don't want to expand your business or you don't want to spread your talent all over the world, then it's okay. But if you have the ability, qualities, skills to do some things on international level, then I think that it is necessary to improve or learn the English language. Without learning this language, I think that you will face a lot of problems, a lot of challenges, because when you don't have the communication skills, then you can do nothing. Communication skills are very necessary, and any language that is international language will help you a lot to bring your talent in front of the world. Otherwise you will be limited to your area only or your country where your national language is understood. If you are willing to improve yourself, you are willing to explore the new world, then I think that international language should be very good to spread your talent. Otherwise I think that most of the people, those don't know the English language in the whole world, almost 840 million people speak English throughout the world. Out of these I think that 340 millions are native speakers of English language. English is their first language, and 505 million people those who speak English as a second language. So I think that the number of those who speak the English language as a second language is more than those who speak it as a first language, and the number of non-native speakers is more. Why it is more? Because this is the global language, and people are learning this language to deal their business, to explore the new things, the new world. So it is very necessary for those people who have the international kind of the mind, or who are willing to improve the things, expand their talent, expand their business on international level. for those people, it is necessary to learn the English language. For example, if you have the talent, you want to, for example, if you are a artist and you are working in your national language, but you have the talent to work on international language, you get a offer from international level, and where the English language is used. If you don't know the English language, I think that you can't communicate with others to get benefits. And if you want to work in some international NGOs, there are some international kind of NGOs, those work throughout the world, and if you want to join those NGOs and you don't know the English language, you will be rejected to give the job, because getting any kind of international job, you need to know the English language. If you don't know the English language, you will probably face the problems. So I have seen some NGOs, international NGOs, that that the United Nations also launching some kind of programs for the development of human beings all over the world, especially those who are the underdeveloped countries. They are doing a lot of projects, and some regional people are working there in their NGOs, there in their projects. Why they are working? Because they know the English language, and also they get the services of some regional people, because they want to deliver some things to people through their native languages or through their local languages. You know that in all countries there is a national language, and besides the national language, there are some local languages, and some communities, the poor communities, those speak local languages, and to interact, to make the understanding. For example, if you are going in a backward area where there people speak a local language, and you have a friend of English NGOs, and the local person is talking in his local language, and then you are making the translation to make understand the other person who don't know the local language, who is the official of some NGOs and only knows the English language. So in this way, I think that it is necessary to communicate or to become a bridge between two people, those don't know the English language, and you know the local language. You will hear the local person, and then you will translate that things in English language to make the other person understand whatever the local person is saying. So for that reason, I think that this is very necessary, and this is considered the global language, and right now most of the stuff is available in English language. If you know the English language, you can explore the new world, you can get better chances to improve your talent and to show yourself in front of the world. You know that due to the social media, it has become more easy for the people to understand or learn the English language, because there are lot of stuff, lot of videos, podcasts available on social media. Through the help of those stuff, you can improve your English in very, I think that in no time, if you are interested in. If you are not interested in, then you can't learn the things easily, because learning the things or learning the language, it requires the interest. Where there you are interested in, you will feel relaxed. Where there you are not interested in, you will feel bored. So if you want to learn English language, set a goal in front of you and try to achieve that goal. You will know the English language in I think that in some years. Hope you find this video useful. Please hit the like button, and before leaving, please give your valuable feedback below in comment box, so that we will improve our work in next videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.